Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the last haul for 2025 brought to you by Temu. Yes, this will be the last unboxing for 2025. Now what I've done is I've cut the hole out because they do print labels on here, so I've cut the hole out yeah, so we'll get on with the unboxing. So in here we have quite an unusual item actually. I can't wait to show you. And in here is that puppy I've been teasing you about. So yeah, oh, look at that. Sharon's scissors are the best. It just glides through there. It's lovely. So this is what I saw last year. I saw it last year and I kept debating and I was like, do I want that? Do I really need that? And then it came up this year and I thought, oh, I'm going to get it. Now, it's come up a little bit bigger than I thought. So this has come up absolutely massive. There's me thinking it's a little tray. This is a little Christmas tray. Now, how cool is that? Right, so let's where's the cellophane? Hang on a minute. Now this, I think it came in a range of red or blue, and I thought, well, I don't really think red's very suitable for Christmas, so I'd rather go for this one. Now what this is I'll put the link in the description of the video. This is basically a little tray to put all your little snacks in, so like your savoury snacks. So you could have like KP peanuts here, you could have some Wotsits or what have you, some crisps or something in there. Doesn't necessarily have to be savoury. You know, you could, if you're watching a movie, you could put Maltesers, bit of Revels, bit of Dairy Milk Bites, you know. It can be for anything. You could stack Oreo biscuits up in it. You know, so many things. I mean, you could even probably put sauces in there if you wanted some pickles in there. You know, the silver onion pickles. You could put some gherkins. There's lots of things that you could use this for. And as a diamond painter, I would be quite tempted to use that for large colours like your 3865s, your 310s. But yeah, this is going to be my little snack nibbly tray. So I'm going to put all different snacks in. And then when I'm watching my film, I can just pick one up as you go and don't have to worry about refilling the thing. But I just thought that was so nice. It's definitely come up a lot bigger than I thought. So that's the first item. Okay, lovely. So the next one is this. Now I did get this last year and I loved it so much that I decided to get one for my mum. So this says, "This house believes in Santa Paws," and I actually watched the second Santa Paws film last night. So yeah, so tonight will probably be Santa Buddies. I'm running out of films now. So yeah, I mean, just look at that. Isn't that lovely? You just put this through here like so. Oops. Sometimes you just have to twist the ends, but it can come a bit undone. So yeah, you just basically pop this through here. Oh man, it's coming all undone. Yeah, as you can see, and then you put that through that hole. That one went through fine, and then obviously you tie it up. But the problem is that it's a little bit, it's like not much slack. So I ain't got to work. Where's my little, oh, fiddly bits. I'll do this later, I think. But anyway, you get the idea, really. You just hang it up, don't you, and it hangs on the tree like so. But I thought that was just so beautifully made. Very tempted to get my sister one actually, but unfortunately it would not arrive before Christmas. So yeah, I might have to get one local or something, you know. But yeah, so cute. Okay, so the last thing that we got is that beloved puppy painting. Now, oh my days, look at this. Look at that tree. Oh, wow. Okay, so this feels quite chunky. So this looks really, really lovely printed. And there's the little puppy. Now, when I was watching Santa Paws 2, the little dog is dressed up like that because he's an elf dog. And yeah, I think this is just absolutely fantastic. It was a recommendation, and I have been eagerly awaiting this. And oh my god, look how clear that is. Oh wow. Oh, oh my god, look at the colours. Oh wow. Oh my god, oh my days, look at this. This is gonna be a beauty. Oh, that's interesting. Look, they've given us a schematic. Cool, you don't get them crop up very often, but yeah, it's them little tiny bags by the looks of it. Oh no. Not love with them bags. But what I'll do is, I'm running quite low on Sharon's bags, so what I'll do is I will kit them up into them little small zip bag things that Sharon got me. I think I'm on my last pack. And yeah, these are all in them. These, oh, that's quite a very bright colour, but you can see I'm not going to get all these out because it's just belts and belts and belts. I don't understand why they can't just put it all on one belt as opposed to individual bags. But you see there's various different colours in this. I'm probably going to put that back for the minute. But yeah, this is going to be lovely. Now, obviously in here you get your schematic. But just look at that, isn't that so cute? It's lovely, isn't it? 24 colours there. Probably all the colours of the rainbow or something, but yeah, as you can see. Yeah, I was a bit nervous because the locker that this went to is not my usual locker. The other one was full, and where they've put the locker, it's a cafe next door to it, and the cars constantly park up against it. So I was like, oh my god, what do we do if the driver can't access it, you know? But just look at this. I mean, how in the world can you not say no to this? This has got so much colour. Look at this. I mean, there's even presents on the little bookcase here, and I think secretly that's a little snowman. But oh my god, there's just so much colour going on. Look at that tree. Oh my god, this is absolutely, I mean, even look, little snowflakes. I think that's like an arch. And just look, these colours are so beautiful. I mean, look, your reds, your greens, your classic Christmas colours. And he's put a bow on and he's like, that's mine, don't touch. Even down to like the little buttons. This is going to be a stunning kit. Oh my god, I am over the moon with this. This has turned out fabulous. Absolutely gorgeous. What a fantastic recommendation. Now, this has got a very strange plastic on it. This isn't normal, well, it's plastic, but you can tell it's quite a thick, that's quite a thick film. Look at that. So, am I right in guessing that this could be double adhesive? Because I read up that apparently, you know that white double-sided tape that they put on, or the white double-sided adhesive stuff? Apparently they've stopped that now, and the doubles glue or whatever they call it is supposed to be this like flexi film now, because it's better film because you don't have that crinkly noise, because as you can see when I peel that off it comes off lovely and quiet, depending obviously how much you do. But I'm telling you now, this is one beautiful, beautiful painting, beautiful colour block sessions in everywhere you go. I mean, it's all here, all there. There's like built up sections. I'm going to get this kitted up today because I'm itching to get into it. It's come still in time. Obviously, we are filming this on Tuesday the 16th. So, yeah, we've got quite a lot of work to do on this. But, yeah, so what a brilliant painting to finish off the haul, the Temu hauls for this year. That will be the same with all the unboxings. There will be no further unboxings until January now. But oh my god, this is just, oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, I mean, in some ways, if you've ever seen Paula's channel over at Paula's Crafty Corner, she's got a little dog called Rocco, and in some ways it does look like him. With how small this dog is. Obviously, I think he's got different colours for his fur, but it's very, very similar. But as you can see, oh my god, like, you've got to get this painting in your life, people. It's stunning. And then you've got obviously all the snow, and oh, I've got to get into this. So once again, we've got this lovely little puppy. We've got the Santa paws. I mean, you could hang that up there, look. And then we have our nibbly tray. So yeah, I'm very impressed with that. I got all this free because one of my orders turned up late, that Christmas duck, and so I got a credit for this. So very, very happy. I had some price adjustments on there as well. If you're new to Temu, if you check back, I tend to do it every 30 days. I'll check at the end of the month. If you check each item, it should come up with a price adjustment button. If you click that, if that item drops in price within 30 days, so say like this was £1 and it dropped to 50p, they will give you the price adjustment back and you'll get some credits back. So yeah, nice little present there from Temu. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe on the way out of this video, and I will see you very soon for starting to whack down these drills on this beautiful painting. And yeah, I can't wait to use this. It's just, oh, something new, isn't it? Different. But anyway, take care and we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.